Thank you. I know, right?
Sergio! Hey, it's recording. It's alright?
And you got that shirt. Ready? You want to do this one? You guys say it's all about the angle.
Yeah, you guys are on camera. Say hi.
What?
I know the kid's gonna believe they can come and stop.
Ready? Show it to everybody. And then take the deck and mix it up into the deck. Show it to the camera. Show it to the world. Show it to the camera. You got it?
I want to see that shit. I want to see that. That there is.
Now mix it up into the deck. You don't have to send like
I'm gonna be on YouTube. Wow.
What?
Y'all see me play that.
Here's what happens.
Don't think I'm on my. Peace out. Dumbass is not at the ball. My ass.
No, but seriously, you guys, I encourage you.
Don't do that at home.
Not to ever try that at all, because I got it choked down here. It's not magic. It's an illusion. It's all in the mind. I make you see things that aren't really there. And just like a couple of seconds ago, I had people run away and they think it's witchcraft, mysticism. It's not like that at all. It's just a trick. It's an illusion. It's not It's not like anything like that.
She ate you. Look at her face. What you did it?
I'm not
Yeah, I'm doing that again. We ate some today earlier.